Hey everyone, it's Hanson here from Weekend Garage. Today I'll be showing you guys on how to completely remove your rear view mirror in your Ram 1500. This is a 2020 Ram Rebel. It's going to be the same if you have a 2019 plus 5th gen Ram and possibly other models as well or other years. We're removing it because we're going to hardwire our radar detector on here, which is an escort radar. If you have a escort radar, Valentine or Uniden, it's going to be the same, or whatever reason on why you guys want to take it off. If you do want to hardwire it, it's just a red and black cable there. We sell these on our website, weekendgarage.com. It's linked in the description below. So to get to the tutorial, if yours looks like this video is for you. So I've taken it off to show you guys the mechanisms and the plastics behind it and how to remove it. It's going to be easier than me just pulling it off for you and showing you guys having it attached. So it's going to come in two pieces. It's going to look like this. First of all, when you want to take it down, you got to push this plastic piece. I'm going to set the camera down here. This plastic piece right here, it slides. So you're going to want to slide it all the way down away from the headliner. There's going to be a gap. After that, you're going to press on the left and right of this plastic piece with your index and thumb. Once you press it in, there's going to be two plastics here. I'll show you guys in real time. So when you press it in from the other side, you're going to see it's going to get away from that plastic piece. So as you press it, show you guys again, as you press it, it's going to get out from that plastic right here and here. So you're going to press it inside or use a pry tool, whatever you guys want to use. Press it in, pull it up. There's also two more tabs here, but it's not locking. It just slides in and it comes out. So pop it out and slide out. For this bottom part, how it comes out is it just pulls straight away. There's only one plastic piece, which looks like this. There's no locking tabs. So you literally just have to pull away straight. This is the only piece that locks it in place. And this plugs into this metal piece right here. There's a single piece there. And to remove the actual mirror from the glass, this is how you do it. I'll show you guys with one hand. You just grab the mirror, this metal piece over here, and you turn it. Move the mirror. So you grab this metal piece and you turn the whole. Put the camera down. I'm going to grab the metal piece and turn it left. It's very stiff. So I'm going to turn it left, like so. And it completely comes off. So how it goes on is there is a hex looking screw here. When you guys put it back on, we're going to line it up. Once it lines up, you just turn the opposite direction and then it'll lock back into place. So I'll show you guys. Put the camera down, tilt the mirror. There we go, we are lined up. Now we're going to turn it. Try again. That easy. Once you get lined up, all you have to turn and it'll lock back into place nice and solid. And in reverse, show you guys, these two cables are for our dash cam, so we're going to route it. But we pretty much just have to slide this on, pop it in, and then throw on our other piece and we have it back in place. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. Let me know if you guys got any questions. You can leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.